everyone, it's Art Factory with Miss Marissa. I'm your host, Miss Marissa. It feels like it's been forever since we've had art time. But guess what? It's February and this weekend is Valentine's Day. So this is day one of our Valentine's Art Extravaganza. Normally Mr. Jacob does this with me, but he's been a little busy lately. So you're going to get a jam-packed week full of Miss Marissa, Art Factory, and some heart-filled crafts. Well, not only do we get new decorations, you may have noticed, we have two new friends. Let me introduce you to Larry and Lola Lovebirds. Hi, Larry. Hi, Lola. You're happy to be here? We are happy to have you. Yes, Larry does look very cute in his bow tie. Now, guys, you flew all the way over here from somewhere up north based on where you're dressed. I think you guys look so adorable for Valentine's Day. I think it's nice that you're lovebirds. Lola, I love how pink you are. You know, you don't see a lot of pink birds. You know of another pink bird? You're friends with another kind of pink bird? What other kind of bird is pink? I should know because I live in Florida. Oh yeah, a flamingo! Flamingos are pink. I like how they stand on one foot. It's like pretty cool. I don't have that kind of balance. I think that'd be a really neat idea for our first craft of our Valentine's extravaganza. We're gonna need a few things. We'll need a lot of pink. A pink curvy neck for our beautiful flamingo. A heart body with some nice feathers. One straight rectangle and one L-shaped rectangle so it's standing on one foot. A black triangle for the beak. And a nice plain color to glue it all together. Let's see how it's made. To start, get your blank piece of paper and put it up and down or vertical. Grab the head of your flamingo and put some glue on there. Press it down nice so it's on there well. Get some glue for your heart and spread it all over. Put the pointy side of the heart on the bottom of the flamingo's neck so that the other part of the heart are the feathers. Next, get your legs and put them on the bottom of your flamingo. The one going straight down and the other one that looks like an L, so it looks like it's standing on one foot. Sometimes the glue gets a little sticky, so watch out for that. And lastly, this triangle beak. Wow, this flamingo looks flamingo-tastic. Check it out. I love its heart body for Valentine's Day. Let's show Larry and Lola. Hey guys, check it out. Look at my flamingo. It looks like some of the flamingos you know when you come to visit. That is so awesome. I think we're gonna have a really fun time this week, guys. I also think I had a really fun time with you. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 2 of our Valentine's Day holiday art extravaganza, love-palooza, heart-tastic craft time. But until then, see you next time.